Hey future millionaires, my name is Isabella and welcome to today's free course all about TikTok Shop dropshipping. TikTok Shop dropshipping is a new way to start dropshipping using the power of TikTok that people are making thousands of dollars daily from. Some are even making tens of thousands of dollars daily. And it has never been a better time to start doing this right now. You can start this with little to no money. You have time freedom because you can automate this entire business model. And you can also work from anywhere in the world doing this. So what is the difference between traditional dropshipping and TikTok Shop dropshipping? So the biggest difference between the two is that with traditional dropshipping, you have to funnel people to your online store from TikTok, Instagram, or wherever you are marketing. With TikTok Shop dropshipping, your main place is there on TikTok. So you're doing the same thing, except the users don't have this extra layer and funnel that they have to go through. Just by not having and canceling out this part with TikTok Shop, this will lead to higher conversions and getting sales directly through TikTok Shop. And I'm not saying that you shouldn't have an online store. That's not what I mean. Because having an online store will help you to build your brand long term. So I believe you should have both. If you already have a business, you should be using TikTok Shop. If you're a beginner, you should be side hustling with TikTok Shop. When you find a winning product, then you can start to build a brand and link it back to your online store as you're building the brand and making money from TikTok Shop. So in no way am I saying, oh, traditional dropshipping is dead. It's really not. But one thing that I'm saying is that with TikTok Shop, you see that there's a big opportunity here because you already have people looking at your TikTok. It's so easy for them to just click through and buy things right away. For traditional dropshipping, I do have an entire 1-hour free course on my YouTube channel, which I will link down in the description box down below. I highly recommend you go and check this out. Even if you are only interested in starting TikTok Shop, I do recommend having both. But today we will focus on TikTok Shop. And because this is still a newer feature, TikTok is actually boosting content that has TikTok Shop related content in it. Because like I said, you can directly link your products through those TikToks. Whereas with traditional dropshipping, if you're using TikTok to promote your online store, you might run into that it's a little bit more difficult to grow your account. Not impossible, I've done it many times, but it can be a little bit more of a process to go through to grow your online store without using TikTok Shop. I have seen other tutorials that are definitely overcomplicating the process of actually starting with TikTok Shop. And it's actually much easier to set up than you may think. So in this free course today, I will be showing you step by step how to create a TikTok Shop account, how to find products to sell, how to connect with your TikTok Shop, no online store needed, and how to market these products to start getting sales. People usually charge thousands of dollars for courses just like these, and all I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and educational content just like this. Now let's get right into today's free course. So we're gonna start here at the TikTok Shop Seller Center. You're gonna just first start off selecting your region. So I'm just gonna click on North America seller and click enter here. Next is gonna bring you to this login page. You can either log in with your TikTok account or you can just sign up for a new account now. I would recommend just signing up with a new account. Then just put your email in here and then just click continue. Then you're just gonna select your password and again, just click continue. Then it's just gonna ask you a couple different questions about the type of business that you're running. Now, when I first started, to be completely transparent, I actually started as a sole proprietor. Usually people will choose individual or sole proprietorship. When I first started, I started as sole proprietorship, but again, this isn't legal advice, just sharing what I have done. So after you select individual, you will have to just upload some of your information here for verification purposes. When you're done with this, then just click next. And the only reason why they ask you for your SSN is for tax purposes, which don't worry, you don't have to stress yourself out over taxes. I did make an entire video all about taxes on my YouTube channel. Again, I'm not a tax person, professional. I just like to share what has worked for me. But the most important thing again is just getting started. So just go through all of this information and just keep clicking next as you finish it. So within a few days and sometimes instantly, they will approve your TikTok Shop account and you can start selling on TikTok. It's actually good that they make people go through this system because guess what? It actually helps to weed people out to where you actually won't have as much competition on TikTok Shop because of it. So part 2 is now how to connect TikTok Shop to your supplier, to how you're going to then get the products and ship the products through TikTok Shop. And what's great about this is you don't need an online store anymore. Originally, people were teaching that you needed TikTok Shop first, then an online store to connect it through, then the fulfillment center. And it's actually, you don't even need any of that anymore. You just need your supplier/fulfillment way, and everything is automated to where you don't even have to have everything going through your online store. So the best tool to do this with is AutoDS. And if you don't already know what AutoDS is, AutoDS doesn't just help you find winning products to sell with fast shipment times, but it also helps you to automate your entire TikTok Shop dropshipping journey. It has a huge library of products to sell in your dropshipping store with fast shipment times. And that's what you need in order to make this work. So to make sure that you do this correctly, use the link for AutoDS that I put in my description box down below. This link will get you an entire month free with AutoDS. And while you're here, I'm just gonna kind of show you around and how this system works. So there's 3 main product research sections that they have that I use for my own product research. There's the handpicked products tab, the ad spy, and trending products. The handpicked products tab is where you're gonna find all the products AutoDS has available. You can see here that they have a bunch of different categories here. You can narrow down your search by country, price range, and category. They also have this fast shipping button, which will show you the products with the fastest shipment times. These products have really fast shipping times, around 2 days, which again, we need if we're doing TikTok Shop dropshipping, because with TikTok Shop dropshipping, which is really important to mention, is that you need to make sure that within the few days, a tracking number has to be attached. This is just TikTok's way of keeping the community on TikTok and TikTok Shop to be legitimate and safe. They also update this daily, so you can always find new products here every time you check it. And when you click on the products, you'll see the profit margins, how to price the product, competitor stores, so you can get much more ideas of how they're displaying the product and so much more. There's a spy tool here called Ad Spy, and it's a tool that allows you to oversee active TikTok and Facebook ads and content that's performing well on the platform currently. This is so important because you're literally selling on TikTok. So the fact that they give you literally the best information about TikTok specifically is literally the biggest win. Then you don't have to constantly be like chasing trends around and like trying to productive scroll like crazy, trying to find products to sell. The Trending Products Hub also here can help you to catch more trending product ideas for you that are going viral on TikTok. And TikTok Shop especially. And the most important part is that AutoDS also automates your entire TikTok Shop dropshipping journey. So once you get a sale, your supplier will ship that product straight to the buyer through AutoDS. It's going to be hooked up AutoDS to TikTok Shop. So we're gonna set this up fully with AutoDS now. So to start the process, you're gonna go here under the AutoDS logo, click on this pen icon to access the next page. Now you're gonna see this pop-up menu. Just click on Add Store. What you see here is a list of other e-commerce stores you can connect. But in this video, we're only focusing on TikTok Shop. So we're just gonna select right here, TikTok Shop. Then just click Continue. This next page shows you which countries are eligible to apply for TikTok Shop connection. But don't worry, even if you don't see your country here, we have other ways to work with AutoDS and TikTok Shop. Before connecting, just make sure that you are logged into your TikTok Shop account on the same browser before the next step. And remember, you can only do this connection process if your TikTok Shop has been approved. So you can't do it ahead of time, just wait till it's approved. So then we're gonna just click this button here and we're gonna authorize it through here. And that's literally it. You are now connected with your TikTok Shop to your AutoDS account. If for any reason you get stuck along the way, AutoDS also has this entire support system, so you can always reach out and ask for help in their help chat. So now we're gonna go back to the fun part that I kind of spoke with you about before, which is the product research. We're gonna do this all together. There's so many products here that you can choose to sell. So let me show you some now and how to use this platform specifically as you are researching. So first, let's go to the handpicked product section again. So let's go ahead and just start off by narrowing down the search. Let's go ahead and just change it to ship to United States, since our first target market audience is going to be United States. Then just set the currency to USD. Then just set ads to TikTok, because we're running TikTok Shop and we want to see what ads are trending on the TikTok platform. So let's check out a few products on this list that we've now narrowed down to. So this perfume kit looks interesting. Everybody needs to travel, right? And it solves that problem to where people can now bring their favorite perfumes on vacation with them. So just say you wanted to sell this product on TikTok Shop. To review more information on this product, just click here on the picture, and here you're gonna see all the analytics of this specific product. So some things that I like to study is, for example, the engagement score. I like to see how well an audience is engaging with this product. And to the right is the saturation score. Don't worry if it appears saturated, it really doesn't matter. And remember that getting sales is 25% the product, 75% how you market it. In blue, we have the item cost, and this product will cost us only $1.25. And you can see here it's being sold for around $15. So they're making around $14 profit on every single sale. And if you do the math, it's actually insane. From one video, if you only sell 10 of those, you could literally make $140 in profits in one day. Now, scrolling down to the page, you're gonna see some more videos. These videos are actually ads that are currently being run. And again, this is not from a big company. This is from people like you and I at home shooting videos with a phone camera. And again, you're able to check your competitors to see exactly what they're selling the same product for, so you don't have to spend time thinking, how much should I sell this for? And right here, you can see how popular this product was. Literally, over 50,000 units sold. And what I love about AutoDS is when you import the product, these pictures can be used for your own listing as well. So you don't have to be some photographer to actually go through the hassle of taking your own product photography. So when you've decided on the product, you're gonna just click import draft, and this product information will transfer to your TikTok Shop page for editing. Another thing that you can do on product research is checking what other suppliers are selling it for. Even if you go on AliExpress, you can see that they have the product and a similar product, and it's also $1.25 on AliExpress. But if you see the AliExpress listing right here, the shipping time takes much longer, even up to a month or more. But now if we go back to AutoDS, you can see that it's the same product, similar cost. AutoDS handles the shipping way faster. Now let's say your niche on TikTok is gadgets. You can actually choose this category and see a list of potential items you can sell. Same with anime. If your niche is anime, here's something you can sell. If your niche is home and garden, again, they have more products for you. So literally whatever niche you're in or thinking about getting into, there's so many different products that you can sell in this niche. But of course, we recommend just starting off with one product. Get some practice in actually making the content and test some sales before moving on to the next product. There are people that have made hundreds of thousands of dollars off of one product alone. Now let's talk about how you're going to start marketing and getting sales to your TikTok shop. There's two forms of this. There's buying ads, which a lot of people will tell you to do, and then there's organic marketing. Organic marketing is what made me a millionaire. Organic marketing is the best because you can start with $0. Like I said, TikTok will already be boosting your content with TikTok Shop products in it, and your profit margins will remain so much higher because of it. So you guys already know, I love to just see visuals and examples instead of talking about it. So let's dive into some right now. So this guy right here is just a regular person on TikTok, simply just reviewing the product. Let's go ahead and take a look. All he's doing is telling his viewers how this product benefited him on his forearm muscles. Do you see how many likes he got? This shows how many viewers liked his content, liked his product, and are interested to buy. And you can see here in blue, these are some hashtags and keywords that helped push this video to the right audience. He is simply just holding, talking, and demonstrating the product. How easy is that? You literally don't need a 3-year marketing degree to learn that. So many people on TikTok and TikTok Shop are literally killing it. I've actually also heard some people, they didn't even make marketing videos and they started getting sales just by simply having their product in the TikTok Shop. But of course, if you want to expedite your business journey and make a lot more money a lot faster, mastering content creation is what's going to take you there. The more viral your videos go, the more traffic, the more eyeballs on your content, and essentially more sales. And if you go to this TikToker's page, you can see this video right here, which was displaying a TikTok Shop product, got over 11 million views. And again, super simple video. With that many views, there's no doubt he made thousands of dollars in sales. So now let's look at another product. This item cost is definitely more on the high end, but if it's something that you like for yourself, you could still buy it and make content on it. And if it gets you sales, great. But if it doesn't get you a sale, at least you bought a product that you like anyways. And again, see how easy they make these videos. It's so easy to shoot and edit just with your phone. You can see this page has made a lot of content and they're doing it because it works. Another way to check on content ideas is to search products you choose on TikTok, just on the TikTok search bar. And then a list of creators will show on how they made videos marketing these products. If you're in the jewelry niche, look at jewelry content. For example, check out this bracelet here. You can see the massive drop in sales. It doesn't mean the product is over. It could just mean that the main seller just moved on to a different product. But if you like it, try it out. And who knows, you might wind up being that top seller again without that main source of competition. The previous sales stats look good and it can still have a potential with good marketing. And again, just look down here, you can watch and study how they create their content. Don't copy exactly, but replicate in your own way. Sometimes there are certain products that look nice, but don't make sense. If that's the case, then don't sell it. Just by you going through the motions and trying this yourself, checking products, looking at the videos, you'll start to brainstorm and get so many ideas for your own TikTok shop. I always like to say, sell something that you use in your daily life. We're all different in our own ways. So we shouldn't just pick a niche because it's trending. We should pick a niche based on things that we like in our own life. Or maybe we have some background knowledge about. And of course, I highly recommend you ordering a sample of the product that you're selling so you can make endless content with it. And remember, it's 25% the product, 75% how you market it. So you have to be thinking of that as you are looking for products to sell. Now again, like I showed you guys on the whiteboard, I am not saying don't do traditional dropshipping. If you're doing TikTok Shop, you should also be doing traditional dropshipping. So make sure you watch my full 1-hour free course all about dropshipping so you can learn how to set up your own online store and have both. I also have an entire section in my 1-hour free dropshipping course video that is dedicated to marketing specifically for dropshipping stores. So you'll learn much more about mastering the entire dropshipping method to help you build your brand and business to last long term. I'll link that down in the description box for you guys as well. Now, creating content as a beginner can seem overwhelming, and you guys already know I started an entire educational system dedicated to helping you grow fast on social media. If you haven't already, make sure you guys join Baddies in Business Club, where myself and my entire team work with you one-on-one to help you master content creation. If you haven't already joined, definitely make sure you guys do. And I put that link down in my description box below as well. You guys already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. All I ask in return for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos just like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next free course. Bye everyone.